We did basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Remember when we were finishing each step, remember we were also, when we did our chasse, we didn't have both feet down, one was up pressing us over. We did the 3 cha-chas. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Then we went into our cross-body lead. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Remember, we place the lady on her foot, then we pivot. Ladies, you want to make sure that left foot goes on. We spiral onto that foot, put the weight back, and then finish with a very powerful chasse. Okay?